Hey there YouTube. So in this video we're going to be replacing the windshield wipers on my Chevy Cruze. It's a relatively easy, straightforward process, so let's go ahead and hop right into it. So with winter just finishing here, my windshield wipers have taken a beating. You can see here this streak that my windshield wiper has been leaving. Some of the rubber's been broke apart. But what we're going to do is first remove this clip by just pulling upwards, and by pulling up the arm on the windshield wiper, we're going to then pull it up, move the windshield wiper towards us, towards the driver's side of the car, and then bring it vertical. What that's going to do is it's going to release it from the J-hook, and then we'll pull up and out. Here's another look at the part of my windshield wiper that is missing. That's what's leaving that big streak there. And then we'll go ahead and do that same process on the passenger side. So that pull that clip up, slide toward the driver's side of the car, bring the wiper vertical, and then remove it from the vehicle. Now this is the wipers that we're going to be putting onto my car. I've used these in the past. You might have seen my Chevy Trax video, but they're Aero. I purchased these on Amazon, and I'll make sure to put the link in the description so that way you can purchase the same ones for your Cruze. But I really like the performance on them. I would definitely recommend them for anybody. But it came in a pair. Don't worry about the green protective shield. We'll be taking that off. But they're all black, very sleek. Plastic clip on top to hide the J-hook. And yeah, I really like these. So now with that new windshield wiper on the passenger side, this plastic clip on top is what we're going to need to remove first. By removing that, we're just going to pull up on it, take that plastic hook, and we're going to slide it onto the arm of the vehicle. And then we're going to take the wiper, insert the wiper into the J-hook of the windshield wiper arm, and then sliding it towards the passenger side of the vehicle until you feel it like kind of click in. And then we'll take that plastic clip and we'll push it down back on top of the windshield wiper. This is just kind of like a little protector and also keeps it from flying off. It also gives it that sleek look. After that, pull that green protector off of the actual wiper blade, and that passenger side is complete. Kind of just making sure that clip is securely fastened there. Now on the driver's side, same deal. Take that plastic clip off that wiper, slide it onto the arm, take that wiper, slide the J-hook of the arm onto the wiper and sliding it towards the passenger side of the vehicle. Take that clip, slide it down onto the actual wiper, and you're just going to want to push down on the actual clip, snapping it into place. You'll kind of feel it nice, securely fastened in there. Push down for a little bit extra, and then we'll go ahead and slide off that green protector. Now let's go ahead and give these a test and see if we can clean that little spot off my windshield and make sure they perform the way we expect. So first thing I'm going to do is turn the vehicle to the on position, spray a little windshield washer fluid, and then just let the windshield wipers do their magic. As you can see, I'm getting a nice streak-free result, and then turning it on high, and then turn it off. You can see that that is completely gone. So that's a wrap on this how-to. Make sure to check out the link in the description, click that like button, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.